If writing emails still takes you 20 minutes, you're working way too hard. Watch this. Are you struggling to write email campaigns? Not sure how to put one together effectively? Well, now I just want to highlight to you how using Go High Level, you have AI right here by your side to help you not only write your emails, but also help you write effective and engaging social media posts, web content, put together workflows built for you, and so many others. It's your right hand, basically. So here I'm going to show you how to use the AI to write an email. So we're just going to click on here where it says Create with AI. And now it asks me, well, what can it help us with? So here we have some options. We can create a promotional email. We can create follow-up email. We can create a minimalistic email, create an announcement email, or create multi-column email, or create an editorial email. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead with the first one, which is create a promotional email. And now I have to fill in the rest. So I'm going to say create a promotional email for a monthly newsletter covering new tips, new features, tools, and strategies. I'll say strategies. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and here where it says generate template, let's see what it does. Here on the left, you'll say success. I'm working on it basically. And we see the result of that as it's working, finishing up here. Over here on the left, you'll also see it's, what it's doing. It's kind of listing an email template created successfully with default design and brand voice. Now, brand voice, look, my logo is already there. It took it from the profile, like your account profile. So it'll automatically place your logo there. You can either keep this, you can delete it, you can edit it. You can change out this image if you want. Here is a heading, unlock powerful features and strategies. Explore this month's edition packed with innovative tools and expert advice designed to boost your productivity. And then here's a welcome to your monthly update. This edition, right? Explore new features. Now, I kind of like this, guys. So as you can see here, look, it put this down here at the very bottom, which is, the year, your business name would go right in here. Your business email goes right in here. And of course, we have to include the unsubscribe option here at the very bottom. But as you can see, this was easy. 20 minutes or 20 seconds. The choice is yours. If this looks useful, schedule a call with me. Click the links below.